So a lot of viewers, the question will ask is, what documents do I need for adjustment of status? And so you have the traditional document, which is the I-485. So that's the most common one. And then depending on the type of adjustment that you're making, let's say if it's a family-based petition, it's the I-130. And then if it's a, let's say, work-based petition, it'd be I-140. And so depending on the type, you'll have also some of these different forms here. And then in addition to that, you might have other requirements, like for example, you're inadmissible and you need a provisional waiver or things like that. And remember, for the document that gives you, that gives the sponsor the ability to petition on your behalf, and then the I-485 documents, they're typically filed together. And so it's concurrent filing, okay? So for example, if you are on a spousal, if you're looking to get a spousal or a marriage green card, you file the I-130 and the I-485 together, okay? The big mistake that a lot of times people make is they will file the I-130, and then when that comes positive, they'll file the 485, and then by this time, a lot more time has passed, okay? And so because they've waited for the I-130 and then I-485 on top of that, okay? So filing them concurrently really helps. Thank you.